Hola!
Hola, tudo bom?
Tudo bem, tudo bem. Hello from Ljubljana. Today we're gonna show you how to do makeup for dancers. So today we are with our
Kaya!
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Step 1!
Skin preparation. Wash your face and don't apply any cream. I know that's not by the rules, but do you know that feeling when you have cream on and then you sweat and it's not nice? So don't apply any cream. Okay, step 2 is base, contouring and highlighting. So I'm gonna start with a foundation that I recommend is really high coverage and long lasting, and the same goes for concealer. So yeah, just apply it. Step 3, fixing powder is a must. You have to apply it every time.
So fixing powder is a must because of the sweat and everything, so it really fixes.
You have to fix everything so that it doesn't move.
Okay.
Step 4 is contour and highlight. Here you can go all out. Less is more doesn't really apply for stage makeup. They have to see your face from the back row. They have to see your expression. It's really important for people to see your face. So that's really important step. Here, on the lowest point of your cheek. Go all around your face. Then you add highlight. You add it on the top of your cheeks. Then you just blend together everything with a blush. So on top of your highlight, you can also add some sort of glitter to emphasize it.
On the lips.
On your top lip.
But why this?
To make it bigger.
To make it bigger?
Yeah.
Oh.
Step number 5, yeah, it's your eyebrows. So don't forget about your eyebrows. They're the frame of your face. You have to do them. So yeah, just follow your shape, natural, and fill them in. Okay, the next step are the eyes. So I'm gonna show you, here you can do whatever, really, it doesn't matter. I think the basic is black smoky eye. My tip for you is to start with brown color and make a shape that you want and then go over with the black, because if you mess up the black,
You never go back.
yeah.
Okay.
Just matte brown colors, mix them. So if you have some fallout, you just go over with the brush. It goes away. Apply small amounts at once and then you blend it. And then go over with more color. So don't dip your brush in black color and then go on. Apply small amounts. It's gonna last longer and it's gonna blend easier. Now you can see she has some sort of shape made. And for smoky eyes, it's really important to smoke the bottom and to connect it here. To open the eyes, just put small amount of light color in the corner. Okay, I'm gonna take darker brown color and then go over it. Now we're gonna take the black, which is the tricky color. Apply it close to the lash line. Okay, now it's time to apply some false eyelashes. When you apply the glue, you wait at least half a minute before applying it to your eyes.
This is actually really important because if you put these lashes like you don't put them right on, then it can really bother you on the stage or everything.
The last step are the lips. I suggest using lip liner and matte lipstick because I think when during the performance and you have like your water break and everything, you don't want to apply lipstick every time. So just put matte lipstick that is long lasting and it's gonna last the whole time. My last tip for you is don't touch your face ever. So if you sweat, whatever you do, don't touch it. Just let it dry and then you're fine.
Yeah.